and shine. To all of you out there, thank you so much for tuning in to this wonderful educational video on the correct way to say rise and shine. Hi everyone, my name's Jessica. Thank you so much for tuning in for today's look. We are doing a look inspired by the one, the only, the critically acclaimed song of Rise and Shine. But before we get started, make sure you give this video a thumbs up, turn those notification bells on so you get notified every time I upload Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, and subscribe if you aren't already. But we're gonna go ahead and jump right in. Rise and shine for today's makeup look. I already have my foundation on. So foundation I used was the Born to Glow foundation from NYX, kind of new. I applied it the same way I applied it in my What's New and True. Didn't want to be redundant, but anyways. As my base, I will be using the DANESSA MYRICKS Color Fix in Primary Yellow. I will be using a flat brush and a blending brush, both from MAC, just to kind of pat it down, blend it out a little bit. This is a really nice pigmented formula. You can really pack it on and get a nice primary yellow going on your lid. And you can also smoke it out as well, as you can tell right here. It's really easy to diffuse out onto those ends. Just reinforcing the yellow a little bit more. And it dries down a little fast, so definitely work with one eye at a time. Make sure you get it on your lash line. The base does most of the work, so we're not gonna add too much from here, but you see how vibrant on its own that is. A really nice primary yellow. And these are a 24-hour matte color. Love these bases. They come with different shades, very easy shades if you want something that's very true to a certain color. Definitely recommend those, and they stay put for a really long time. Now, tapping into my Sephora Pro palette, I will be grabbing this yellow right over here just to diffuse that on my crease just a little bit. This is a Stilazzi Precision Crease Blender. You want any kind of blending brush that's very soft to really diffuse out those ends. Now that's really giving out that orangey effect from the sun. Honestly, how bored can we be to make this meme like such an iconic joke? She really made merch out of that. I just find it really crazy that that is what it's come to. Joke, I'm doing a makeup look out of this. Like, it's such an iconic moment in pop culture. Rise and shine. The things we make popular, you guys. I'm here for it. I'm actually participating in it, so not hating. Then just a little bit over the yellow, I will be using this ColourPop. It's called There's a Cloud. It's one of those soft shadows, and I'm just lightly pressing it over the yellow just to give it that little golden shine. See how it just gives it that nice sparkle. Getting a little bit more of the DANESSA MYRICKS base. I'm running out. I used to use this a lot last year. There we go. With a very nice pencil brush, this is from Stilazzi. I'm just grabbing that yellow and putting it on my lower lash line. It's not gonna be as vibrant as the lid color because I'm kind of just like smoking it out, smearing it out a bit, and not like patting it on. Then going into, this is so dirty, going into that yellow again from the Sephora Pro palette and reinforcing that primer. Ooh, dirty brush. That's not what I meant to grab. Another soft pencil brush with the yellow. So that would have went down south real quick. I grabbed a dirty brush. Just to kind of widen my waterline a little bit, we're gonna go in with this liner right here. This is from NYX, called Faux Whites, and I have shade Linen in. It's not like a white, it's like a nude color. And that's perfect because I don't want it to be too much. Perfect. We got the morning clouds on our under eye. Oh, rise and shine. We have the clouds on our high. Sign me. So for highlight today, bringing it up early because I'm gonna use the same one in this inner corner right now since we're finishing up the eyes. This is from OFRA Cosmetics. This is shade Bali. Again, using it on my inner corner, but I wanted to use this highlight because it's so pretty. It reminds me of the sunlight in the morning peeking through the clouds, a nice little pink, peachy, golden moment, which is, this is not super golden, but you see how it has like that pink flecks on it. I feel like it's a very on brand for this Rise and Shine makeup tutorial. You can't say Rise and Shine without singing it now. Just sweeping that on the inner corner. For the eyelashes, we're gonna be using this Total Temptation mascara. Want to keep the lashes a little bit natural because it's sunlight, you're barely waking up in the morning. I just feel very natural vibes coming from my lashes. Though natural vibes, this is a really good mascara. I've been really enjoying it lately. It does get like, that was a little bit, it does give you a little lift from the lash line and really coats each lash nicely without them looking clumpy, which I appreciate. Please note the difference. See, it's just such a pretty, it makes my lashes look pretty good. It's rising and shining. Eyes are pretty much done. We're gonna finish off the complexion just to kind of give life to my face a little bit. So my face can really just rise and shine. Can I sing it? Rise and shine. Sing it. Oh my God. Rise and shine. Thank you. I'll be here all day. Okay, so for, I can't think right now. To really just kind of structure my face a little bit, going into my handy dandy GIRLACTIK bronzer. Nothing new with this bronzer, I love it. Let me get the right brush. So this is the Morphe M528. We're just getting all up in it. Carve my face. I need a mirror. I didn't even address the elephant in the room. I got my hair done. I don't know if you're able to notice. If it's your first time here, you probably haven't noticed and you don't care, but I got my hair done. This is not how it was last video, but yeah, I got it done. I feel like I've been blonde for a really long time, and most of you have not seen me with blonde hair because it was a moment of just letting it breathe and regrow. But I really prefer my hair being shorter and lighter. Shorter being because it's just so much easier to style. If you're not new here, you already know I am so lazy when it comes to doing my hair. Like, I'll do my makeup and then I'll be done with my makeup and I don't want to put any effort into doing my hair. But when I have short hair, it takes way less, my little baby hairs, it takes way less time to do it and way less effort. So that's why I live for short hair. I love it. Blending that in a little bit more. For blush, going into the Barbados Stilazzi palette, into this one right here, Papaya, super pretty. I almost went into the orange for Rise and Shine, you know, and theme, but I'm like, I'm not feeling orange. I think Papaya will do just fine. Going into Papaya. A nice pink sky. That gives you a little bit of glow, which is all I ever asked for. That's why I use the Born to Glow. What's it called again? Oh yeah, Born to Glow foundation, because the sun's peeking out, your skin looks the most natural because you're not wearing any makeup, and it's just fresh outside, and that's exactly, put that feeling into a bottle, and it's that. Or my NARS Sheer Glow, but whatever. That blush is so pretty. All right, OFRA highlight that I mentioned before. Again, Bali, that's the shade, yes. You know, this highlight really is, it embodies Rise and Shine. It does. It's right here. Hello, right down the middle. The highlight. It's literally Rise and Shine. Using Bali on the high points of my arch just to kind of blend it in there a little bit. Just give it a little jingle. Good morning. Your arch wants to say good morning. Wait, what's that line? In Charlie and the Chocolate Factory, where Willy Wonka's like, good morning, the earth says hello. What does he say? Doesn't he say that? The earth says hello. All right, that's pretty much it. We're just gonna put on some lip. And for the lip today, this is Thrive Lip Liner in shade, I'm blind, in shade Ruth. It's a nice, natural nude for my skin tone. Really pretty. It's kind of peachy at the same time. And since we have the peachiness of the highlight going, a nice sunshine, a nice sun ray going on, I thought this is a perfect lip liner. Correct me if I'm wrong, but I'm pretty sure Kylie was wearing a lip liner shade in this like field when she created the Rise and Shine. When she literally created those words, she was wearing this lip tone. Correct me if I'm wrong, but I'm pretty sure. But of course, I'm positive she was wearing Kylie lip kits or shades. Obviously this is not. It is what it is. In the center of my lips, this is Dose of Colors Let's Cuddle. Really nice nude. I'm just gonna kind of slap that in the center of my lips. Ooh, you see that? My lips are nice and glossy. I was gonna leave the lip like this, but I'm like, let's do a little gloss, because that's how I am as a person. So we're gonna jump into, this is the PIXI and Chloe Morello collab gloss in shade in Gloss Icing. We're gonna pop that right in the center. I get like a grapefruit scent from it. It's very on brand, not Kylie Cosmetics, but like it's very in tune with this look. And that's it. That is a complete Rise and Shine look. Say it with me. Say it with me. Say it with me. 1, 2, 3. Rise and shine. Say it louder.
Why?
1, 2, 3. Rise and shine. Beautiful. That was my little fun Rise and Shine tutorial. I really hope you like it. I feel like it's very, all jokes aside, this is very wearable. I like the yellow tone of it, and I actually wanted to do like a nice yellow monochromatic look going on. And this video came up and I'm like, perfect timing. Rise and shine. We have the yellow going on, the nice oranginess of the sun rays coming out through the clouds, and yeah, I really like it. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up and make sure comment down below rise and shine so I can like sing with you. But thank you so much again for watching this video. Give it a thumbs up and make sure you make sure you turn on those notification bells so the next time I upload, it gives you a nice rise and shine on Monday, Wednesdays, and Fridays. So make sure you subscribe before you leave today, and I look forward to seeing you in the next one. Bye.